That's why the CEO thinks I called him a walking PowerPoint template.
You did what?
Okay, listen. Literally, don't interrupt. I need to trauma dump.
I will absolutely interrupt.
I can't. This is already a career-ending moment.
You say that every Monday.
No, this is different. This is HR core. So, this morning, right, we had this big meeting.
Define big.
Like CEO, directors, people who say circle back.
Ah, the Avengers of corporate nonsense.
Exactly. So I made a presentation.
That was your first mistake.
Rude. It was actually good. Clean slides, minimal text, very synergy.
I hate that word.
So, I'm presenting, everything is fine, I'm literally thriving.
Suspicious.
No, seriously, people are nodding, someone says, great insight.
Fake.
I know, but still, I felt seen. Then, I opened Slack.
Oh no.
Yeah, oh no.
What did you do?
So, I'm messaging Jake,
Who is Jake?
coworker, chaos agent, encourages bad decisions.
Continue.
I type, this meeting is so dry. I'm literally presenting to human spreadsheets.
Okay, that's funny.
Wait for it. I didn't send it to Jake.
Of course you didn't.
I sent it to the meeting chat.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
So the CEO saw it.
Immediately.
What happened?
Silence.
The worst kind.
Like dead silence. Even the Wi-Fi felt uncomfortable.
I can't. Okay, but where does walking PowerPoint template come in?
I panicked.
That's never helpful.
I tried to fix it.
How?
I sent another message.
Oh no.
I said, sorry, that message was not aligned with my professional brand.
That's worse.
I know. Then I added, please disregard. That was off-strategy communication.
You sound like a broken LinkedIn post.
I was in survival mode.
Did you stop there?
No.
Of course not.
I tried humor.
Never try humor when you're panicking.
I said, just kidding, ha ha, unless...
Alex,
I can't.
what did the CEO say?
He replied,
No.
yes,
What did he say?
let's stay focused on the presentation.
Oh, that's corporate for you're done.
I literally blacked out after that.
Did you finish presenting?
Apparently, my body went on autopilot.
That's impressive. Did you apologize after?
Yes, I wrote an email.
Let me guess, too long.
It had bullet points.
Oh no.
And a subject line, clarification and alignment.
You're actually making it worse. Wait, but was the CEO the only one who saw it?
No,
How many people were in the chat?
like 50.
50?
Yes, cross-functional stakeholders.
So now 50 people think you roast leadership for fun.
I do not need that reputation.
Did anyone react?
Someone liked the message.
Who?
Anonymous reaction.
That's chaos support. Wait, back up.
What?
You said you typed the message.
Yes?
Did you actually press send?
Yes?
Question mark is not confidence.
Wait,
Check your phone.
wait.
What?
That message, it's not in the chat.
What?
I didn't send it.
Then what did the CEO see?
Oh my... Jake sent something.
What did Jake send?
This meeting is so dry. Feels like I'm watching a walking PowerPoint template.
Jake sent it?
He sent it to the same meeting chat.
And you thought it was you.
I claimed responsibility for nothing.
You apologized for someone else's chaos.
I sent 3 emails
You wrote a whole apology essay.
with bullet points.
I can't breathe.
So I'm not fired?
No.
Jake is?
Probably.
I need better friends.
And fewer emails.
Fair.
Quick, your turn.
What would you do?
If you sent that message,
Comment your response now.
go, go, go.